I have a long and busy week, and the last thing that I want to think about is what I'm going to eat for breakfast. So today I'm going to show you these easy breakfast muffins that are perfect to grab when you're on the go or when you don't feel like making something in the morning. Okay, let's get to it. Let's start off by preheating our oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Okay, so for our ingredients, we're gonna need rolled oats. I love this specific brand. I picked it up from PlantX. Then you're gonna need some plant-based milk, your choice of which one you like. I think this one is almond. Then shredded carrot. It was about like 1 full carrot. Shredded coconut, maple syrup, some applesauce. Did you know that applesauce could be used to substitute an egg? If you watch my other video, you'd know that. Some raisins, and I've got some cinnamon, ground ginger, and baking powder. We're gonna grab all those ingredients, put them in a bowl, and mix them all together. Once all the ingredients are added, you can mix them all up. Now you're gonna wanna line your muffin tin with these cupcake muffin liners, just so those muffins don't stick to it. If you don't have these, don't worry, you can coat it with oil, whatever type of oil works, or if you have baking spray and spray it all over, that works as well. Now let's fill our muffin tin with this muffin mixture, making sure that you get equal amounts of dry ingredients and wet ingredients in all of these muffins. Okay, they're ready for the oven now. While those are cooking in the oven, it's a perfect time to do those dishes. Now that the muffins are all done, make sure you fully allow them to cool down and then put them in a Tupperware and into the fridge, and you have breakfasts for the week. And I'll see you next time.